Welcome back to Hanon Epoxy, also known as Hanon Resin and Craft. Today's video is a little different because this is not a tutorial. This is an announcement, and honestly, one of the most exciting announcements we've made on this channel. First of all, I want to say a huge thank you to everyone supporting this community, especially our amazing channel members. George Nana, Anurag Walpure, Robert Popman. Your support truly means a lot. You are helping this channel grow into something much bigger than just videos. You are helping us build a real epoxy learning community. And because of that support, we are officially preparing something special. Members-only practical epoxy training. Yes, we are now preparing detailed practical epoxy resin tutorials exclusively for channel members. And these are not short random clips. These are real, practical, step-by-step training videos. The kind of videos that help people learn faster, avoid mistakes, improve professionally, and even start an epoxy business. Because many times, public videos can only explain so much. But inside the members section, we want to go much deeper, much more practical, much more detailed, much more professional. What will be inside the membership? Let me show you what we're preparing. Full practical mold techniques. We're going to show how to make molds, how to prepare silicone molds, how to calculate epoxy for molds, how to avoid leaking molds, how to demold safely, how to remove bubbles professionally, how to create premium finishes, including irregular molds, deep molds, tray molds, art molds, decorative molds, custom molds, and many hidden professional tricks most beginners never learn. Wall watch/wall clock projects. We're also preparing detailed wall watch tutorials, including measurement techniques, number positioning, crystal designs, ocean effects, metallic effects, marble effects, luxury finishing, and most importantly, how to make them look premium and sellable. Because epoxy art is not only creativity, it can also become a business. Tabletops and river tables. This is one of the biggest requests we receive. And yes, we're preparing detailed tabletop and river table tutorials too. We'll cover wood preparation, seal coats, deep pull technique, color combinations, bubble control, mold building, sanding and polishing, professional finishing, including mistakes beginners make and how professionals avoid them. Full epoxy flooring training. And this is a big one. We are preparing practical flooring tutorials covering surface preparation, grinding, primer systems, base coats, top coats, metallic flooring, flake flooring, marble flooring, outdoor flooring, PU coating systems, and real-world flooring techniques used by professionals. Not just theory, real practical methods. Why we decided to create members-only content. Because honestly, many people want more than short information. They want step-by-step guidance, real demonstrations, professional breakdowns, business knowledge, advanced techniques, and we want to create a space where we can teach epoxy on a much deeper level, a place where serious learners can grow faster. This is for beginners and professionals. Whether you are a complete beginner, an artist, a flooring installer, a business owner, a content creator, or someone who simply loves epoxy. These member tutorials are being built to help you improve professionally. Our goal is not just to make beautiful videos. Our goal is to help people build real skills, build confidence, build businesses, build careers, because epoxy can truly change lives when learned properly. What makes these videos different? We're not focusing only on, look at the final result. We want to explain why things happen, why projects fail, why bubbles form, why colors react differently, why surfaces peel, why some designs look premium, why some techniques work better than others. That understanding is what creates real mastery. The future of Hanon Epoxy. Honestly, this is only the beginning. We have so many projects planned. Advanced art techniques, business guides, professional flooring systems, luxury table designs, ocean effects, 3D flooring, mold engineering, color theory, and much more. And we want our members to be part of that journey from the beginning. A message to our supporters, to everyone who has subscribed, liked videos, shared our content, commented supportively, or simply watched our tutorials. Thank you. Seriously, this channel is growing because of you. And seeing people around the world learning epoxy through Hanon Epoxy is something I truly appreciate. Invitation to join the membership. So if you want to take your epoxy learning to the next level, this is the perfect time to join the channel membership because the practical tutorials are coming and they're going to be detailed, organized, and professionally explained step by step. We want the membership section to become a real epoxy training platform, not just bonus content, real education. At Hanon Epoxy, we believe epoxy is more than resin. It's creativity, skill, science, business, art, and opportunity. And together, we're building something special. So if you're ready to grow with us, join the membership, subscribe to Hanon Epoxy, and become part of this growing epoxy community. And once again, special thanks to our amazing members. George Nana, Anurag Walpur, Robert Potman. Your support is helping make all of this possible.